If you've always wanted to try yoga but have trouble getting down on the ground, then I have just the practice for you. In today's session, we'll gently stretch our whole body, creating more space and ease through our neck, shoulders, back, hips, and more. And the good news is you can stay right in bed for this one. So go ahead, get comfy, and let's begin. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your legs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle shoulder stretch. Sitting tall, reach your right arm across your body. Use your left arm to gently guide it in, keeping your shoulders down and back. When you're ready, adding a wrist rotation, waking up the energy of your right wrist and hand. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, reach your left arm across your body, using your right arm to gently guide it in, keeping your shoulders down and back. When you're ready, adding a wrist rotation, bending at your wrist, make small circles, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder. Optional to add the light weight of your right hand to deepen this stretch. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch in the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Optional to add the light weight of your left hand to deepen this stretch as you continue breathing deeply, creating more space and ease through the right side of your neck, all the way down into your right shoulder. Release and return to center. Feeling unrushed, make your way to all fours with your wrists beneath your shoulders and your knees below your hips, moving into a cat-cow stretch. With an inhale, lift through your heart, and on your exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulders away from your ears, feeling your neck long. And with each exhale, round your spine, pressing the earth away, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Continue moving at your own pace, allowing this cat-cow stretch to re-energize your spine and belly organs. Stay connected to your breath as you release. Place your knees wide with your big toes together. Stretch your hips back towards your heels, keeping your torso long and your arms extended, resting your forehead to the earth. Adding a lateral stretch, shift your hips to the left as you walk your hands over to the right, lengthening through your left side body. Continue reaching energetically through both arms while pressing back through your left hip. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Walk your hands over to the left, shifting your hips to the right, lengthening through your right side body. Release and return to all fours, moving into a thread the needle pose variation. Inhale at the top. Exhale, reach your right arm under your body to the left, stretching your hips back. Inhale to all fours. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace, releasing tension through your neck, shoulders, and upper back. Release and come to take a seat. Extend both your legs forward with your hands behind you for support. Cross your right leg over your left, adding ankle rotations. Continue moving at your own pace, stretching through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle. Release and repeat on the opposite side, creating more mobility through your left foot and ankle. Release and place both feet to the earth in a wide stance. Begin to windshield wiper your knees from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, releasing any tension. Release and make your way onto your back for reclined postures. Set your feet to the earth with your feet hip-width apart and your knees bent, moving into a hamstring stretch variation. Extend your right leg to the sky, clasping your hands behind your right thigh. Keep your right leg active by flexing through your right heel, working to extend your right leg towards straight. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Set your right foot to the earth. Extend your left leg to the sky, clasping your hands behind your left thigh, keeping your left leg active by flexing through your left heel, contracting through your quadriceps. Stay connected to your breath as you release, and set your left foot to the earth, moving into a gentle hip opener. Cross your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Pick up your left foot and reach your right hand under your right calf muscle to clasp your hands behind your left thigh, gently drawing your legs in towards your chest. Continue relaxing through your head and neck, keeping your hips level to the earth, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip. Release and set your left foot to the earth, adding a twist. Maintain your right ankle over your left thigh. Use your left hand to clasp your right ankle and reach your right arm open to the right. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, relax your legs to the left, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest, keeping both shoulder blades to the earth, gently turning your head to look out over your right shoulder. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, feeling a gentle stretch through your spine, hips, and low back. Release and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Pick up your right foot and reach your left hand under your left calf muscle to clasp your hands behind your right thigh, gently drawing your legs in towards your chest. Continue to invite space and a steady breath, breathing wide into your outer left hip, relaxing through your neck and shoulders. Release and set your right foot to the earth, adding a twist. Keep your left ankle over your right thigh. Use your right hand to clasp your left ankle and reach your left arm open to the left. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, relax your legs to the right, keeping both shoulder blades to the earth, gently turning your head to look out over your left shoulder. Continue breathing smoothly and deeply, feeling a gentle stretch through your spine, hips, and low back. Slowly unwind and return to center. Moving into a reclined cobbler's pose, place the soles of your feet together, relaxing your knees open wide, placing your hands over your belly. Feel your spine long, lengthening your tailbone towards your heels, releasing tension through your thighs, hips, and low back. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like, and when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath. Bend your knees and roll off to your side, coming up to take a seat, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. I'd love to know which you prefer as far as length of time of video. Do you prefer a 3-minute, 10, 15, or longer? Let me know in the comments below. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.